Yes. Oh, another little burp. That's what we want. Another little burp. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, yes. Oh, oh. This might be perfect time. Whoops, no. Gonna stop crying. I was gonna say it might be the perfect time to stick on the other boob. Hey? What do you think? Get you a bit restless and wakey here? You're not going to video this, are you?
No, we'll turn it off. They're going to unclip. Goodbye, everyone. See you in a minute.